Whoa. Get out of the way, here comes the bike, get her. Yes, let him go, let him go. How was that, you big stud? So I didn't know boat waves. We need a traffic controller to make sure we don't have the boats hitting the bloody bikes.
Yeah, Cap. There it goes, I nearly bloody dropped it. I don't think you can go across much wider than that.
You can, you just need smoother water.
Yeah. It's too long.
Had to happen.
Why did you do this for me?
Hey mate, you're gonna enjoy watching this for years to come.
You okay?
Yeah. What you got there, Brett?
You banged your chin?
Yeah. Oh, my head over 100 was it?
Yeah, you did actually. It was really good.
It was really nice. I hope you have that on video.
Oh yeah.
Looks really good. Looks really good.
Bastard.
You slowed down just a little bit too much. Thank you.
Yeah, you slow. Actually, Sasha said before the approach he's too slow.
What happened was...
No, it sounds good.
I heard a bit of a soft sound before.
Yeah, right there. So it's flat.